check at this is various news out of context. I am Dave Lipuanan, by the way, which is hindi pa ako nakikilala, pero ako ang nasa likod ng network na to. Kasama ng Ispan Network at ng personal na channel ko. So, ang episode natin ngayon ay paglilinaw. So, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, ako si Dave Lipuanan. Medyo nantok na lang din ako while I am recording this. Okay. In context, base sa picture na nakikita nyo ngayon sa inyong mga TV screens or sa mga phone screens ninyo, this comment was way back December pa. Magiging short lang to. This is my only explanation only for the start of the issue. Hindi ko alam, pero hindi ito paninira. Kung gano'n ang isipin nyo ay okay lang, opinion nyo naman yan, and I duly respected it. In-explain ko sa inyo na yung statement na yan ay hindi galing sa akin, hindi galing sa mga miyembro ng Discord server na yan, kundi sa isang tao lang, at hindi naman kami yun. Okay? Si page A, sinasabi niya dito sa picture na based on sources. Ang punto rito is niliin niya na yung itong page 0 na itong page 0 is nireport daw ng mga fantards, ganun. Yun yung sabi ni page A sa comment dun sa nireply niya sa akin. Pero ako nililinaw ko lang naman siya through the fact na yun nga. What's even more surprising here is hindi ko na agad na-realize na hindi pala nag-gets nito si page A ang statement ng isang tao sa page na yan. Pero kasi ganito yun eh, like yung itong page 0 kasi meron siyang followers, and then na terminate na lang agad yung page na to. Gumawa sila ng another page, which is the page 1, no? And then na sila nagpo-post ng daily contents. Sabi sa statement, no? Sabi sa statement, wait lang, pakita ko sa inyo itong statement sabi dito sa statement, Meta AI's moderation has taken out our legacy page just minutes ago, January 9, due to the multiple copyright violations from a network. The copyright strikes were automated, and it is not a result of some mass report campaign by some fantards. Okay? Yan lang. Ayun yung gustong linawin nitong isang admin dito. Pero yun nga. Though I'm officially part of the Discord server, I hereby declined about the statement. Yung sabi ko kanina, it's her statement. You are referring to nonsense, aren't you? Besides, you don't read the statement from the person him or herself. Let me guess this one for you. He said here that the page was taken down by the Mata and not for being misreported by some fantards. So what are you referring to, RC? It's just his or her own statement. Labas kami dyan. Then, the next picture, page A decided to send again the statement. Yung statement kanina. Okay? And then sinabi niya pa, shinare lang yan sa akin. Shinare lang yan sa akin. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Diba? Shinare lang yan sa akin. Okay. Wala kong sinabi kung sa'yo nang galing o hindi. What I am pointing here is kay admin ng page 0 galing ang statement, hindi sa akin, hindi din naman sa members ng Discord server. Tsaka read carefully ha. That image you replied 2 times na is the statement for one person only, not the whole admins of that page or the whole people in the Discord server. Read also about Vincent not as a result of some fantard. Sana gets mo ko. Yun ang naging final comment ko. So yun na nga. Sinubukan natin mag-explain, sinubukan natin mag-clarify, pero I am saying na reading comprehension failed. Naiwan dun sa tindahan ni Aling Nena. Sabi nila masama akong tao dahil sa pagtatama ng Nari. Okay lang. I'll take a title. Sa lahat ng mga admins dyan na mahilig mag-rant pero takot mag-tag, episode 2 abangan niya. Okay? Episode 2 mas malala na yung pagtama nila sa akin. At sa lahat ng mga yes, in a world full of NPCs, be the main character. The quote for today, or the quote for this week's episode is, in a world full of NPCs, be the main character. At sa ngayon, ang tawag sa main character na to, Dave Liquanan. There is news out of context, episode 1 signing off. See you sa episode 2. Kung saan ba kaya pati birth certificate nyo, or birth certificate ko, i-dox. Yun na rin.